Hi guys, today we are out for a ride through the history of Golconda. And in the southern part of India, the place we belong to was ruled by the Kakatiyas. I'm talking about that time. And all of us have heard about Rudramma Devi, Rani Rudramma Devi. Rani Rudramma Devi's grandson, Pratap Rudra, was the person who built a mud fort which was built at that particular point of time. From Pratap Rudra, the Bahmani Sultans were the rebels of the Delhi Sultanate. They took over, and from the Bahmani Sultan, the Qutub Shahi dynasty took over and ruled this. And it was the Qutub Shahi who made this small mud fort into a big stone fortress. And Golconda. Those who speak Telugu, they understand. Golla means shepherd. Konda means hill. So this basically was a place where shepherds used to graze their sheep. That's why it is called as Golconda, and that became famous as Golconda because it is situated near diamond mines. This
Diamond
place was there are so many diamond mines.
Is there diamond so you can dig it?
Yeah, one diamond is here.
Oh, thank you.
One biggest and the most famous diamond which has come from this place is the Kohinoor, which is there in the crown of Queen Elizabeth. Now, it is, Kohinoor is from Hyderabad, from Golconda. Koh in Persian means mountain and Noor means light. So when the Sultan saw, he said, this is a mountain of light, Kohinoor. So that's how it is. So let's move ahead and watch. This is the place which is the Qutub Shahi tomb. It is the place where one whole dynasty of sultans is resting. It's closed for now 9:30 tomens. I think we can...
Hi, good morning all. We are today starting our historical journey of Golconda, and this is the Qutub Shahi tomb, and we are with our group starting from Queen Victoria, made by Sandeep, Shafirai, and our cyclist from Warangal. So today we are riding first horse riding, then bike, cycle riding, swimming, trekking, and then end of the day. So Umesh will take.
Yeah, just shortly we are starting our horse riding from Qutub Shahi tomb to Golconda and then Taramati. And we have our all colleagues right from the Warangal cyclist. And it will be going to be a great journey. And let's how it will go. We'll keep updating you. Thank you.
I'm excited. I'm just waiting what it's going to. Because yesterday only I came to know about this event and I just joined with Pradak and Umesh. They invited me. I'm just waiting for the day.
I'm from Warangal. I'm completely new to the city. I was just excited by seeing this post and I just came and I joined. That's it. I'm eagerly waiting to see what's going on.
This place is called as Kathora House. इसको कटोरा हाउस बोलते हैं because it is in the shape of a bowl. एक कटोरे की शेप में. इसमें ये बनाया था इब्राहिम कुतुब शाह. अबुल हसन ताने शाह के साथ औरंगजेब जंग लड़के ये फोर्ट जीता. तो कई दिन तक the water supply was closed. तो 4 महीने तक पूरा किले की आवाम इसी टैंक से पानी पीती थी and it survived. तो the Qutub Shahis made their kingdom self-sufficient also. यानी बाहर नहीं जाने.
No, of course. Let him take some energy. After that,
Come on! Go together!
Perfect.
अबुल हसन तानेशाह जो है वो कुतुबशाही खानदान से थे। अबुल हसन तानेशाह की अगर आप हिस्ट्री जानना चाहते हैं तो उनसे जो पहले वाले बादशाह थे वो मुरीद।
Hi, just we are listening to. चाहूँगे आज की राइड के बारे में आप?
I think I am having a good time, a blessed time with all of you.
Yes, even we are.
And I'm sure everyone of us is.
And we can see this Golconda beautification going on here, and due to some multiple ride, they are making it fast. And we are moving towards the Golconda Fort College site, and with our all gang,